Back here and I'm doing this Main Street and Broadway Avenue. This one still doesn't work again. Like, I see one of these buttons don't work. Like, that's crazy, bro. Very crazy. That one does not work. I think other crosswalks do work right on this side here. Motherfucker. I ain't doing this. Come on, let's go. I have no all day to cross, bro. So right now, we're gonna wait until the traffic light, the one is on the Main Street, because, yeah, there's no Main Street sign, because somebody, like, actually, somebody, like, grabbed right onto it and maybe took it down. But, yeah, that's not safe. I don't know why you're gonna hear the countdown on the crosswalk here.
Main Street, walk sign is up 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so here it is. So that one does not work. But the light, so the light works, but the speaker broke. The speaker totally broke off of it. Rather not, like, yank it. So, as you can see, we'll be crossing on Broadway now. Broadway is that sign right here. So, as you can see, the sign says Broadway 700 and 800. That's Broadway, and the other side is Broadway. So, that intersection here has 20 seconds. And I'm not sure, this one has a little, this one has, so this intersection here, it has like 10 seconds, I believe. Maybe 11 seconds. I'd rather run for my life. Yes, so that button over here broke off, but let's hit this one.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Yep, but the speaker actually broke off of this one. Because I think somebody, like, messed around with it. I'm not sure who did it, but let's hit this one. And that one's actually still broken as well. I'd rather, like, yank it instead of breaking it. But as you can see, that button actually broke off. It doesn't say anything. But the speaker actually broke off of this one, like, almost 3 months ago, I think. And here's that no truck allowed sign right there. All right. Yeah, this one has a really low speaker, I can say. Oh. I'm waiting for that walk sign over there to turn on, and then we're gonna cross. Okay, here we go. Let's hear this. All right, here we go. Now we'll be crossing east that we have here.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street, traveling east. Wait.
Where how it says that? I got no idea. We're waiting for a chance. Let's go. Mighty, I'm not gonna wait forever. I'm waiting for this. I'm still waiting for that walk sign over there to turn on. But I guess I have to stop at that stupid red hand, like, again, like, wait for like another minute or so. But this one starts in action in 3, 2, 1, I think. All right, here we go.
Broadway Avenue, walk sign 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Alright guys, that's it.